Allison's vlog, Allison's vlog, Allison's vlog. Altavera, she's gonna get her first condo. Altavera, she can't wait to live there.
So I'm on my way into work. Today is the annual office Halloween party, which is normally totally lame, but this year I'm actually excited because I'm the Altavera Condominium Complex, and I can't wait to show everyone my new unit. They're gonna be so jealous. Hey.
Allison.
Hi guys.
Hey, Allison.
Great costumes.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like this? It's the Altavera Complex. It's on 13th and Downing. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to buy a unit here. This is where I'm going to live.
In the box?
No, it's the...
Oh, and actually
right.
on the street. Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Actually, can I ask your opinion on something? Because I can't
Sure.
decide
Sure.
which unit I look better in.
Ooh.
What do you think? This one? This one?
They both look pretty good.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Like, which one looks bigger?
Oh.
Ready? Bam. Which
I
one?
might have to take a closer look.
Yeah, get in there.
Okay. I don't know.
I totally live there.
This-
You mind if I?
That one? Do you like that one?
Yeah, I really like that one. Yeah, that looks great.
Dude, I need to take a look.
Oh my God,
I don't think you should. You're married and all that.
Hey, but look back here. There's a garage. Look at the size of that thing.
I like the garage.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
It's nice.
I know. Isn't that amazing? I'm super psyched. Okay, so either one.
Yeah, either one looks excellent.
Awesome.
I can see myself there.
Cool.
24/7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. All right, I gotta get back to work. Cool. Thanks.
What's with that?
I don't know. She's moving.
I guess.
I guess. Yeah. Cool.